What's going on, guys? Welcome back to our video. In the last video, I had mentioned that the exterior is not doing so hot, and the tint isn't the greatest either. So in today's video, we're gonna be cleaning this entire car, doing a full detail and clay mitt. So hopefully we can bring the paint back to its former glory. What the f is it? James, where's the foam cannon? To home. For today, my goal is to have the water kind of beat off the paint of the car. It doesn't do that now, so I'll show you a little demonstration of how it does now. As you can see, the water likes to stick to the paint, so I'm gonna try and have that not happen. Let's get into it. Oh, well, I saw you holding up your arm. That's too damn bad.
You ballin', boy.
Then you gotta do that shit. I hate dealing with that fucking thing.
Idea.
Yeah.
We keep that in the video, and we zoom in on me, just wheeling the thing like this.
Oh yeah.
Shut up.
Yeah, I think the fitting in the back, straight ones. Yeah. Can they be tighter?
Yeah. I didn't tighten it super tight. Tighten your tools. So James, what are we doing?
Cleaning the car.
Cleaning the car. We had James put a ceramic coat on the car. Here's Ashton. What did we use? We're using this diamond ceramic that James bought. So we're gonna see if it helps out with the beating of the water. I really hope it helps out because water really likes to stay on this car. So we'll see what happens. Well, this is my cameraman and also my brother.
Ashton.
And I don't pay him enough. At all.
Go to the website and maybe I'll get paid.
I hope the website's up by now.
Yeah, I hope so.
Yeah. Well, stay tuned. I am really working hard to get that website put up. Last weekend we went to Holy Hill in Wisconsin and took a whole bunch of pictures. So I'm really hoping that all those pictures turned out really nicely. They're getting edited right now, and I really hope that they turned out pretty good.
I think they did. At least what we've seen so far. I like them.
Yeah, I think so. So you guys gotta stay tuned. Follow all of our socials. I will have them linked in the description below. And I'll also have them popped up at the end of the video. So you guys gotta...
So if I talk, can they hear me?
Yeah, I'm sure they can hear you.
That's cute.
We got these new mics. Like I said, I bought a whole bunch of equipment so we can start recording more videos and at least be a little professional. Try our best a little bit. But yeah, we don't have enough mics to get Ashton mic'd up, so me and him are sharing one right now. I mean, so far it looks really nice.
I'd say it's done.
It's done?
Mm-hmm.
We just start drying it?
Yeah, we just grab the big towel, probably start drying.
All right, so I'm gonna hand this over to Ashton while me and James start drying this thing.
Oh boy, it might have to be slightly damp for this to work well. Is there another, there's that yellow one in there.
So for anyone that doesn't know, James is in the detailing industry. He's by no means a professional, but I mean, we do good enough.
Yeah, that towel works way better. Just have you drive this thing.
Ashton. Tractor!
How cute.
You don't know, we live in Wisconsin. There's tractors everywhere.
You ballin', boy.
Alrighty, I guess we're gonna start by peeling the tint on the car. I really hope that this doesn't turn out badly. So far, it's pretty bad. You got like this little piece right here. So hopefully it's baked in the sun enough to peel off nicely. Well, that already tells me a lot. Well, this is gonna be fun. Dude. All right, I guess from videos that I've seen, you usually want to heat up the tint from the outside, more or less with like a heat gun. It's been sitting out in the sun all day. I kind of figured it might turn out pretty good, but from the looks of it, it's not coming off really well. So we might have to start cleaning it after the fact. Otherwise, I might have a lot of frosted windows.
You ballin', boy.
Here's a little lesson for those of you that are getting into modifying your car. Don't cheap out on stuff. It's just not worth it. It really isn't. Because then you're gonna have to do this, and it's like, it's probably baked in the Georgia sun for so long. It was on the car when I bought it. I don't know how well this is gonna go. This is my first time peeling tint on a car because I've never really had tint on a car except for my Subaru, but that came with it and I've never had any issues with it because it looked good. But this one's bubbling and peeling and it just looks like garbage. So eventually down the road, I'm gonna want to get some tint for this thing, but I'm just gonna have it professionally done. I don't tint. Usually I would take steel wool and I would start cleaning it, but all we really have today is a razor, so it'll do the same thing. Yeah, look at the glue.
I cleaned it, but I was like, you want to hear how clean it is now? Looks like.
All right, so we had tried heat. That didn't seem to work. So now we're gonna try the steamer and just see if the tint will come off on the back side of the window. Okay, let's see.
Off and kind of get a feel for it because you can actually adjust like temperature, like slightly.
I hope this works, dude. Really? Series just on the tint?
Yeah. Hey, 179. Halfway through this job.
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna start here because this one hasn't chipped off like this one has. Maybe if I start where it's still a little thick right here, maybe it'll kind of make it peel a little bit easier. Nope. Like that. So what's been happening is, for whatever reason, it seems to be a bit weaker around these defrost lines. So every time that I go and try to peel it downward, sometimes it would break off at the defrost line. And the line is a little bit like,
It's printed on the inside of the glass, so you don't want to cut it or ruin the conductivity of it.
great. Hopefully you guys can give me advice, because I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this done today. It's just gonna keep peeling off like this.
Do some lighting off camera.
Yeah, maybe. But I will take any suggestions if you guys have any. Yep. I think we're gonna end it off here. If you have any suggestions, put it in the comments. Any suggestion would be appreciated, and I will try them. Drop a comment down below, like, subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on all our socials. See ya.